Dancehall DJ Damian Rhoden, OC Munga Honorable, has been granted bail in the sum of $500,000. Dancehall artist Munga Honorable has been granted bail on a murder charge for which he has been in police custody for a number of weeks. The artist, whose real name is Damian Rhoden, had the bail granted when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on Friday. The bond was in the amount of Jamaican $500,000 with one or two sureties. Munga was ordered to surrender all his travel documents, and a stop order has been placed on him at all ports of exit. The case is scheduled to be mentioned next on July 21. Munga is charged with the shooting death of 27-year-old Cleveland Smith at a dance in Akiwak, St. Andrew in May of this year. He also faces charges of illegal possession of firearm and ammunition. Smith was the nephew of popular artist Mr. Vegas. The now deceased man, who Mr. Vegas has said suffered from mental disorder, had previously shot Munga during an encounter between the two in 2015. So after his bail hearing was postponed on two occasions, the first time the file was not submitted already, and the second time the attorney had said that she had just received the file and had needed more time to get familiar with the contents of the file. Munga on the third occasion has been granted bail in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court. So the DJ there rode again. I am sure he must have slept well last night compared to how he would have been sleeping in the past couple of weeks. The situation is that he is charged for the shooting death of one Cleveland Smith earlier this year. So he will appear or reappear in court on July 21 of this year, when I don't know if the case will get underway then or it is a review of his bail. So we'll see how that go, but for now he is back on the streets, back on the road, and I'm sure he would be a happy man this morning. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.